Hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to do a waterfall braid. To me, this seems very similar to the lace braid. It's just a little bit different, but not a lot different. I did a conditioning treatment on my hair yesterday, so it's very soft. I did not put any type of product in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this braid with it being soft. I'm gonna try to get close to the camera for you so you can actually see what I'm doing today. I'm gonna take my thumb and I'm gonna just do just about an inch of hair, okay? And then I'm gonna start get 3 pieces, 3 strands, and cross over the middle section, cross over the middle section. And now, just like a regular French braid, I'm going to grab a little bit more hair from the back and cross over the middle section. And then I'm going to go one more time, cross over the middle section, because I don't want that piece hanging right in my face. Then I'm going to grab a little bit more hair from behind, cross over the middle section. And now this is what you're going to do for this waterfall braid. You're going to let this hair just go. You're going to drop it out, and then you're going to go right in front of it. You're going to grab more hair and cross over the middle section. Then you're going to take the hair from the back and add it in. Again, this hair, we're going to drop it out, and we're going to add hair. I would say in back. So this is the hair we're dropping out, right? So we're going to add some more hair in back of that and add it in the middle section. Grab more hair from behind. And again, this strand, which we would normally grab more hair and then cross it over, we're going to let it out. So just drop it out. And then you're going to add from behind I guess it is kind of behind it. Just let that hair drop out and then add more hair in the center. And then you can keep going, add more hair from the back. Again, this strand, we're going to leave it out, and then we're going to grab more hair. And I think that is going to be the last one for that side. I think that's as far as we can go. So then you're going to just grab this hair, and you can either do it like a cute little, you could do a cute hair clip here, which I think that's what I'm going to do. So just grab your barrettes, your hair clips, whatever you'd like to put in. I'm just going to use this big, because it kind of goes with my outfit, and I'm just going to secure it in place and just put it down. So now we have these little hair that are kind of hanging on this side. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and go on this side, and you could do the exact same thing. Again, grab your triangle, about an inch of hair, and go ahead and start doing your braid. Center. This one goes over the middle. Okay. And now we're going to I'm going to go ahead and just do one more. So, well, actually, I'm just going to drop that piece because it's not going to be right in my face. Grab some more. I want you guys to see this. And then I'm grabbing hair from behind. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and drop this piece. And then I'm going to grab more hair from the front. I'm not grabbing that piece I dropped. Look, right there. Okay, you don't have to use your mouth. I just thought, what the heck? I'm just trying to show you that I'm not taking that hair. I'm going to drop it out, and I'm going to grab another piece of hair, just like that. Again, the back. Again, this piece is going to be dropped out, and again, I can take a little bit more hair if I want, And I could probably drop out one more, maybe, I guess, might as well. Okay, so now I have these sides of these hairs kind of falling down too. They just sort of fall down on both sides. Now, either you could take both of these sides now. You can do that. I'm going to take both of these sides together like this. I'm going to turn around so you can see how I gathered both of them. And I'm just going to go ahead and rubber band this. Okay, let's get a little rubber band. And rubber band it. So now you guys, we have these hairs that are hanging down, that are kind of, and I would perceive to curl these hairs because, I don't know, it looks a little sloppy to me. I mean, it's pretty. I like how it's kind of drooping down. It's not really hanging in my face. I would probably maybe even pull these hairs apart a little bit. If I had a little more grit, I could really do this more, but my hair's pretty darn soft today from that deep conditioner I did yesterday. And then I would go ahead and curl these a little bit. I don't have my curling iron plugged in right now, so I'm not going to do that on camera. But if you guys want to, or you can smooth it with a flat iron and have it real smooth, or, you know, you pretty much do whatever you want. You want to use a, you know, a crimping iron to crimp it, you could do that also. So, you know, sky's the limit. Enjoy it, have fun, just experiment with your hair, enjoy it. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope people are starting to feel a little more normal. Here in California now, we're able to go into restaurants again, and they say movie theaters going to be opened. So, you know, things are going to start looking up for 2021, and this is going to be a great year for a lot of us. God bless you all, and thank you for tuning in, and have a really great day. Thank you. Bye.